Assalamualaikum everyone, my name is Zain R Hamid. So let's move on to our third lecture. So in this lecture we will cover cout and cin statement. So it will be kind of short lecture, but it will be quite relaxing, and I will try my best to make you guys comfortable with the concept of cout and cin. So as far as the cout is a statement which is used to display the text on the screen, and if you have gone through to the C language, it was printf. So in C++ it is cout. The syntax of the cout statement will be carried out by the double less than sign, and after that I'll show you guys in the dev C++ screen. So as far as the cin is concerned, cin statement is used to take the value from the user and store it into the memory location, and the memory location can be a variable, it can be an array or anything. So you can take it as the scanf from the C language, and in C++ cin is carried out with the double greater than signs. So let's move on to dev C++. So for example, I am taking a string data type and a variable name as name. So what I will do is, first I will use the cout statement followed by the double less than sign, and after that if I want to display a proper same to same text as I write in here, so I will be using the double quotes. So what I'll do is I ask the user for his name. So it goes that what is your name, and after that, after each and every statement we use a semicolon. The compiler reads the semicolon and then it feels like the statement is completed. So if you are not placing a semicolon, the compiler will read the statement in the flow. So after each and every statement you have to put a break, and the break is known as the semicolon in C++. So I have used the cout statement, and in which what I did, I used the double quotes, and I have written what is your name followed by a semicolon. So after that I will use the cin command. The cin command is used to take the data information from the user and save it into the memory location. So I want to save the name into the name, so I will use the cin followed by the double greater than sign, and after that the name of the memory location, which is name. So the name will be saved. So let's run a program for the first time in these tutorials. Right, so to run the program, what we will do, we will go to this, or we can press F9 to compile. First of all, it will ask to save the file, so I'll save it in, let's get down and web and social ZCode, and let's name a folder. And folder name will be, for example, code. You guys know all this. So this is lecture 3 code. So we'll save it. So after that, when you save it, so all of the So as you can see, the compilation is done. So there was a problem in the include, so I corrected the syntax, the spelling was not right. So after that you can see the program is totally complete and it's running. The next step is we will go to the next window, it is the run. So as you have seen, so this is the where is this? It is the run window. So after compilation it will run the program. So the program will look like this. It will ask what is your name, and it is asking, so I'll put Zain in it. So the program's terminated, the value will be saved in the variable. So how will we know that the value is saved or not? Let's try to print out what's inside the variable. So what we will do, we'll carry out the cout statement followed by the quote, and we will display your name is with the colon sign and just a small space to make it like a little bit more attractive. So after that, what we will do is cout and followed by the double less than sign, and then the variable name. So you have been noticed that if I want to display the text same as I write here in the code, so I will use the double colon. So if I want to display the value of the variable, so I will name the variable, and the name of the variable is the name. So let's get with the and compile, and it shows 0 errors. And then what we will do, we will go to the run window. It is asking for a name again. The moment when I press enter, and it shows me your name is Zain. And that was really nice to know about my name. Thank you very much, C++. I think you have been noticed that my name is right here, you can see, is followed by the statement which I wrote in the double colon, so it does not seem attractive or nice. So one thing more I will want to share you guys, that if you put a backslash with the n, so it will take the cursor to the new line. Let's compile it once again and then run it. So now the cursor in the next line, so when whatever I read, for example, just change it to ZCode. So your name is ZCode. That's it. So in this tutorial we have learned about the in and cout. We also learned about the how to place a value in the variable which we took from the user. So that's all from this time. Stay blessed.